Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn greatest common factor and LCM together step by step. The greatest common factor, or GCF, is the largest number that divides evenly into two numbers. Factors are numbers that go in with no remainder. The biggest one both numbers share is their GCF. Let's find the GCF of 12 and 18. List the factors of each. The numbers they share are 1, 2, 3, and 6. The greatest of those shared factors is 6, so the GCF is 6. The least common multiple, or LCM, flips it around. Multiples are what you get by skip counting a number. The LCM is the smallest multiple that two numbers have in common. Let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. Count by 4s, 4, 8, 12. Count by 6s, 6, 12. The first multiple they both hit is 12, so the LCM is 12. So the GCF is the biggest factor two numbers share, and the LCM is the smallest multiple they share. List them out, or use prime factorization for bigger numbers. Greatest factor, least multiple. Keep those straight, and you've got it. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.